Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and if you've got the gestures, you will have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you will be able to see the recents previously opened apps. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on this button with 3 bars icon. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. If you want to kind of close, for example, only one of them or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all with only one click, just go to the, basically you do not have to go to the very left. I missed this huge button. Simply tap on close all, and right now we can enter, of course, the recents. Here we've got no recent tasks, which simply means that we just successfully closed all of them. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.